kind of have to be quiet, so sorry if I'm quiet, but I had yellow hair and I tried to take it out, like cancel it out with purple, but I put too much purple and it came out pink and I hate it, so I want to get it out. And I came across this thing with vitamin C treatment where you crush some vitamin C tablets and you mix it with shampoo, and I want to try that, so hopefully it works. I'm gonna go find some vitamin C and we're gonna try it together because I really want this color out of my hair. Okay, so I found some and I put it in this bag. This looks so weird, by the way. They're like 1,000 milligrams vitamin C, so I'm going to crush them up and then add some shampoo, and I'll show you guys what it will like when I'm doing the process. I'm so tired. So I brushed my hair. I also crushed some vitamin C tablets with this thing. I think it's for lemons. And I'm going to mix it with the shampoo. It's not like a clarifying shampoo, but it's my favorite shampoo, so I kind of want to use that. And then I'm just going to use this container to mix it all together. So I'm going to do that right now. Oh, I poured it in there. Probably should have crushed it, but I'm hoping that's good enough. I kind of went over it, over the sink, and kind of like lathered it, and it got lighter already, and I could already see the pigment going into the sink. Like the color was bleeding out already, so that was really cool. I also added water with the shampoo and vitamin C, so it kind of made the consistency really watery. That's why I decided to go over there in the sink. So yeah, I kind of did it differently. I hope it still works out because it kind of looks like it. It looks way lighter. Looks almost like a lavender, but we'll find out. I'm gonna wait 40 minutes and then wash it out. And then I don't know if I'm gonna do it again in the morning or not, but I'll probably see you guys in the morning. Good morning. So I just used the vitamin C. What is it called? The vitamin C treatment, I think, to remove the color out of my hair. And this is the first time. I'm gonna do it another time and hopefully try to make it stronger, because the first time I added water and what else? It was just not enough vitamin C tablets, I think. So this is round 2. Oh yeah, update on the hair. Like, it actually feels soft and nice. I thought it was going to be harsh. This is amazing because that is one of the things that I hate, because there's a color removal that I used to use and it smelled like rotten eggs. And I absolutely hated it because it stayed in your hair that smell probably for a month. So I was trying to look for an alternative. I mean, I'm pretty excited about this one because my hair smells really nice. Especially because I put shampoo in it. I use this shampoo. It's from Love Beauty Planet. And I use so much. I just bought this and it's like half gone. I absolutely love their products because it's from recycled bottles. And oh, what else? I forgot. Sorry, this is not an ad. I just like their stuff. Okay, so I just applied it, and I actually did apply water again because I felt like it's better that way. So this time, I didn't see any pigment come out with a little bit of water. So I'm not sure if it's still gonna work. Let's hope so. I'm gonna leave it on for about 30 to 40 minutes this time and wash it out, and we're gonna see what color it is. Hopefully lighter. It looks way lighter than the last time I applied it. So this is the second time I washed it out, dried it, and it still feels nice, nothing harsh. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm probably gonna try 2 more times and I'll film it, I guess, because I still would like to know if it will get all of it out, because I think my hair is stained by this dye. I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, so this is the 3rd time washing it with the vitamin C treatment. And I think I'm going to do a 4th try. If I do, I will definitely keep you guys updated again. And it feels fine. At first it looked kind of scary washing it out because it looked dry. Maybe because I shampooed it too much. But I'm gonna like take a couple of days from doing it and then try again. Yeah, and then I'll show you guys what the 4th time around looks like. So this is the last update. My hair color is almost all the way out. You could see like a little bit pink right there. But for the most part, it looks blonde almost. And what happened was I actually went swimming. Like, I was gonna do the treatment again, but I went swimming and the hair color just went out. So I felt like I should have just went swimming first, but I don't know, now I know. My hair did feel like it got damaged when I did put a lot of vitamin C. Like, I barely brushed it, but I don't know, maybe it's because I braided it. Now I definitely know what to do next time is probably to go swimming, and then maybe if it's still left in my hair, I try to do a vitamin C treatment. But I feel like getting a bleach would have been way fast. Like, it took so long just to get the color out, and probably would have done the same like harm to it because of the so many times that I've washed it out. But it was definitely a fun experiment. I learned a lot from it, and I'm gonna be doing blue. So for my next video, I'm gonna be doing the denim blue from Arctic Fox next. All right, bye.